You've already done your homework on your DIY HVAC system, and you've probably already made up your mind. But hear me out. Condenser, air handler, line set, communication wire, everything that you've studied about the install, it's all basically the same. The pricing is about the same, except now you're going to get a commercial grade system that's built to last. And I know, you don't want a tech until you do, and that's the first problem with traditional DIY. There are 3 things that the leading DIY brands don't put on the box, and if you don't find out about them now, you're going to learn about them the hard way later. 1, DIY means no tech until your warranty needs one. Most DIY brands are sold as self-install right up until something fails. Then the fine print kicks in and your warranty wants professional installation documentation. Well, good luck finding an HVAC tech that's going to certify a job that they weren't part of. Most very reasonably won't touch it. So that's not a warranty, that's a trap. Problem number 2, one loose fitting and the whole thing's on you. The DIY install itself is mostly really straightforward. Unfortunately, the parts that aren't are the parts that quietly kill your system over time. Skip them or get them slightly wrong, and then when the system fails, you end up eating the whole cost. Diagnostic, labor, refrigerant, all of it out of pocket. Most HVAC companies have a policy against servicing systems that they didn't sell. So a few years in, when you actually need some help, you're calling around and getting turned down, or you're paying a premium just to get someone to show up. Now, none of this is a reason to give up on DIY HVAC. It's a reason to do it differently. We call it assisted DIY, and it's only from GWIN. You still install the system yourself and skip the install bill, but a GWIN certified tech still comes out, checks your install, pulls a deep vacuum, pressure tests every connection, and properly commissions the system. That one visit changes everything. With that, a licensed pro is on record from day one, so your warranty is bulletproof. And the first year is bumper to bumper. Parts, labor, refrigerant, diagnostics, compressor, all of it covered. Parts and compressors stay warranted for a full 10 years, and it's transferable even if you sell the house. And if you ever need a part down the road, you call us. We have the connections to all the supply houses, and we'll find the one that's closest to you and have it shipped directly to your door. So you won't be left hunting on the internet and running into dead ends trying to look for a part. So if you're about to pull the trigger on a DIY system, give us 5 minutes first. Talk to one of our experts. They'll talk you through the setup, all your concerns, and they'll tell you straight whether GWIN's a good fit for you or not. And if it's not, no hard feelings. But I think once you see the 2 side by side, it's going to be an easy call. Click below, book the call. That's it.